What the? It's not open. I had this idea last weekend. I'm gonna film myself every time I go out this week. 5 days, Monday through Friday. I'm gonna go out and film myself fishing. Same time of day, roughly. Document it and see what happens. Maybe see how many fish I can catch. Who knows what to be? Probably sunfish, if I was gonna guess. It's pretty cold in the year so far. Kind of just getting around to spring. So everyone down south is like already crushing. Meanwhile, we're struggling. So figured I want to document that so you'd understand what it's like to fish in New England in, I don't know, April 1st. April Fool's fishing? Fishing the week of April Fools. Let's see if I can get anything done. Just got off work. I don't know how much time I got. So let's see what happens with this.
Oh God, you!
What's up, Ben?
What's up?
Happy New Year, dude.
You too.
You caught anything yet?
Not yet, no. I had a couple little ones that hit over out there, but nothing else. Nothing besides that, really.
Were they bass?
Yeah, they're bass, little ones.
All right, dude. Yeah. Catch you later. There we go. Fine. Whew. This is a cold fish. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, like a red ear? Alright, let's get it back in. Where'd he go? Oh, I don't know why it's colder. It was like 58 when I left my work. As soon as I got here, it's like way colder. There we go. Ooh, we got a runner. I'm wondering if it's because it's going to start snowing tomorrow. So these fish are starting to get a little more aggressive. The temperature's dropping, they can feel it. Oh no, muddy. There he goes. Let's see if I can repeat that kind of luck, huh? Got one. That's better than yesterday, that's two. And it's colder. Maybe it's because it warmed up for 2 days and then it got cold. It's got to be something to do with the storm front, right? All right, Mr. Spiky. Hey, I didn't even get him that good. Oh yeah, a little red ear. See him right there? All right, buddy. He's good. All right, that's 2 on Tuesday. Maybe 3. Oh my God, is this a bass? First bass of the year. Okay, buddy, I'm sorry. You're crazy. What the heck happened? This hook really got in there, huh? Oh, he can't be a spawn fish. Hey bud, how you doing? Alright, let's send him back. Thank you, dude. Alright, that's a really good sign. I can't believe I caught a bass already. Got one. Is that 4 on Tuesday? And it's colder? It's got to be because the storm front's coming in. This guy is fired up. You wanted to party. All right. Go. He's in there. He's good. All right, number 4 accomplished. Let's see if I can get another one right now. There we go. Number 5. It's turning on for sure. Ooh, this is a big one. Oh my God. I'm sorry, buddy. You stop flicking around and I'll get you good. Oh yeah. Get you close up. Oh, okay. That's number 5. My hands are numb. That's it on Tuesday, but at least I caught 5 fish today. It's a bonus. Let's see what happens tomorrow.
There were wires all over those, blocking the roads completely. There is a parking ban in effect.
5 different power poles bringing down power lines.
Flashes of lightning.
I got him. Oh no! There he goes. I didn't get him. Damn it. Oh my God, my hands. Yeah, they're bright red again. Oh, I almost caught that one. Should I count it? Oh, so that's what I got up to this week. You can do all the YouTube stuff if you want. You get a little bit, leave it, right? Thanks for watching this week. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'll catch you next time.